Hello class, this is your professor Dr. Elahi. In my last video, I talked about basic policies of my course and I asked you to work on a few items that I have for you on the start here module. Those are the items that you will be working on during the first few days of the course. Here I want to talk a little bit about the content and organization of the content. We have 4 learning modules. Each one of them is 3 weeks long. The first 2 modules focus on analysis and discovery. The second 2 modules work on design. Analysis and design are 2 major phases of systems development lifecycle. There is a lot in between and after. We're going to talk about those, but in this class, we're going to focus on analysis and design. What happens in analysis? You're going to understand the stakeholders of the project, you're going to understand their needs, and you're going to transform those needs to system features. We're going to create some models, and we're going to finalize those models toward the end of the second learning module. During design, you're going to think about those features that you think are needed and those features that you have prioritized and you think you can deliver at the end of the project. You're going to think about their design constraint, design alternatives for delivering those features. We're going to create some models. We're going to show interactions about interactions among different modules of the system. We're going to talk about design alternative, and the way we do our modeling, it makes it very easy to look at design alternatives and pick the one that best suits the problem at hand. So the first 2 weeks will be, the first 2 learning modules will focus on discovery. The second will focus on design, and you're going to learn a lot about design. There are layered design ideas. There are different object-oriented design principles that we want you to understand, and we want you to be able to compare those alternatives and pick one that best delivers the feature that you have discovered the stakeholders need from this new system or the upgraded system. So 4 learning modules, 2 focus on analysis, 2 focus on design. After the first 2 modules, you're going to take your first exam. After the second 2 modules, you're going to take your second exam. There is also a final exam, but it's optional. More about the course structure is on the syllabus. But I wanted to give you a big picture of the content and the organization of the content during the semester. I can't wait to see all of you during our first synchronous Zoom meeting, and we're going to talk about all these ideas. Thank you.